Hi, my name is Nicholas Finch, and I am the host and moderator of today's debate. Today, we'll be arguing the merits of the Fifth Amendment. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless a presentment or indictment of a grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces or in the militia when in actual service in time of war or public danger. Nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be put twice in jeopardy of life or limb, nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. Hi, Nicholas Finch here, and I must say I am in complete support of the Fifth Amendment. I mean, when you think about it, why should a man have to be tried for the same case twice? I mean, if the lawyer can't figure it out the first time, he might as well give it up. And think about it, for that matter, why should any man have to put his own name on the line for that reason? I mean, it's awesome that the government gives you the right to not tell on yourself. I think that's pretty cool. You know, I seen on a TV one time where you could say, I plead the fifth, which is a good thing to do. So why should you have to be the one to put yourself in jail? It's the burden of the state to put someone in jail to process the law. So I think the Fifth Amendment is a great thing because it allows people to protect themselves, and it allows people to be protected from the government so they don't have to worry about the same crime, whether they did or didn't do it, over and over and over. Why, yes, my young friend, while you do make an educated point, I'm going to have to bring out a couple of things to you. First of all, is it really fair that someone could walk on this earth getting away with a crime even though two things, new evidence comes up? Shouldn't that person have to stand trial for something that comes up that might not have been available before? Also, let's think about the fact that somebody could actually not tell on themselves. Think about that for a second. You are literally the only person keeping justice for being served. And is it really fair for somebody to walk this earth getting away with a crime because the law says they don't have to tell on themselves? That's not right. That's not justice. True justice is the truth always prevailing. And if we have a law that says that people can get away with things just because they can plead the fifth and not tell on themselves, is that really a law that we want on the books? Is that real justice? I mean, as Americans, should we not fight for people to be truthful? Isn't that what we want as humans? Those are things to think about before you pass a law that says if you get convicted of a crime, you don't have to tell on yourself. Nor, if new evidence is presented, you don't have to be on trial for it again. That's not right. That's something I can't support. Well, guys, you both made compelling cases, but I say at the end of the day, I'm going to have to side with being for this law. I mean, how can the government tell me that I have to tell on myself? I agree with what the other Nicholas said. It's on the government. It's on the lawyers. It's on law enforcement to enforce the laws of the land. And I shouldn't have to be the one that carries out the justice. So at the end of the day, I think the pros win. This should definitely be a great law to have.